How to add Mailchimp subscribe form to WordPress. First of all, go to point-to-point-express.com, and as you can see here, there's a subscribe form. And we will be adding something like that here in our WordPress. So go to the WordPress website, and at the left side, look for plugins, click on add new, then click on elements, and this will show up. At the right side, you will see a search bar, so click that and search for Mailchimp. And here are the search results. Choose the MC4WP, Mailchimp for WordPress, and click on Install Now. Wait until it's done installing, then click on Activate. After that, it will redirect you here the plugins. On the left side, look for MC4WP, click that, and it will take you here. Now we need to create a Mailchimp account to get an API key. So add a new tab and search for Mailchimp. Then click on the first result. Once you're in the Mailchimp website, click on Sign Up. If you don't have an account, it's located at the upper right corner. Or if you have a Mailchimp account, click Login. After clicking on Sign Up, this will show. Choose what is applicable for you. So in my case, I will choose the free version. So click on Sign Up for free. Then input your email, username, and password. Click on Sign Up. After that, this will show. So check your email. So go to Gmail, then click here. Click on Activate Account. Wait for it to load up, and click on Free. Then scroll down a bit and click on Next. So you need to fill out this form, so type your first name, last name, business name, and phone number, then click on Next. Then here you need to provide your address, city, state, zip, and country. Then you will click on Next and choose here your top goal with Mailchimp. So I will choose grow my list email subscribers. Then choose how many subscribers do you have. Then input your website URL, so copy and paste this here and click on Next. Then finally choose what you prefer. In my case, I will select all the options and click on Next. This will show, so click this button and it will take you here. On the lower left side corner, click here and click on Account and Billing. So here, click on Extras and choose the API keys. Scroll down a bit and click on Create a Key button. So scroll down again and look for your API keys. It will show the day that this was created. Use label, API key, and status. So click on the API key and copy it. Then go to the WordPress website and paste the API key and save changes and wait until it's connected. On the left side, look for the form section, then click on Settings. Tick this, scroll down, and save changes. Then go to your website again to check if there's already a subscribe form. Then go back to WordPress, scroll down, and remove these codes. And then you can save the changes. Then you will copy this shortcut, go to your website and open a new tab for the Edit with Elementor. Scroll all the way down and on the left side, search for shortcode. Drag it to the plus sign. And on the left side again, paste your shortcode. And the subscribe form will be added. Click this button again and align the form in the middle and click on Update. Go back again to your website and click on Refresh. And finally, a subscribe form is added. You can input your email address here and click on Sign Up to subscribe to the newsletter. Go to WordPress and click on Images. Here you can edit the message you want to show below the subscribe form, and then save changes. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you learned something from it. Thank you so much for watching.